Welcome to this Selenium software tutorial. This video will explain how to install the basic tools for running a Java Selenium WebDriver. You will need to install a few major tools and a few minor packages. This video will guide you through the process. First, you will need to install a Java Development Kit. Navigate to Google and search for Java Development Kit. Click on the link with the Oracle domain. Click the radio button to accept the license agreement. Once you accept the license agreement, if you have Windows, choose either the 86 or the 64 version. The 86 version is for 32-bit computers and the 64 version is for 64-bit computers. Download the appropriate JDK. Once the download is complete, click on the contents and install the software. To check if the Java installed properly on your computer, open the command prompt and type in Java and press enter. You should get a large text output on the console like the one displayed on my screen. Next, navigate to Google and search for Eclipse download. I am currently using Oxygen Eclipse, but it will be called something different in the future. Download the latest Eclipse version. Click on the Eclipse installer. When you get to the option menu for the type of Eclipse environment to install, click on Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Accept the agreement. Once Eclipse has finished installing, click Launch. Then click Launch again on the Workbench location option window, unless you would like to save your work someplace else. Once you get to the welcome screen, at the top right corner click on an orange button called Workbench. You have arrived at the main programming window where you will enter code. For now, exit or minimize the Eclipse program and navigate to Google again. Search for Selenium HQ. The web address should be www.seleniumhq.org. Click the Downloads tab and scroll down until you see a table of programming languages. Java should be on top. Click and download the latest version. You will download a library of jar files which you will use in the Eclipse program. Once the download is complete, place this folder on the desktop or on the C driver and unpack the folder you downloaded. There should be a lib folder with jar files. You will use this later on. There should be another jar file outside the lib folder, you will also use this later on. I deleted some files, because for our purposes you will not need them. Just keep the lib folder and the jar file. You will also need to download a few drivers to launch Firefox, Chrome, and Internet Explorer. At the top of the Downloads tab, you will see Internet Explorer Driver Server. Choose the appropriate version and download it. You can place this Internet Explorer driver and other drivers into a designated folder on your desktop. Next, scroll to the bottom and you will see third-party drivers. Click on Chrome driver first and you will see the latest release and a link. Click the link. Then you will see downloads and a link. Click the link again. Download the 32-bit version even if you have a 64-bit computer. Next, return to the Downloads tab and find the third-party drivers section again. This time click on Mozilla Gecko driver. At the present moment there is no link to navigate to the executable downloadable file, therefore in the address bar add the word releases and press enter. This should navigate you to the downloads page. Scroll down and download the appropriate Windows version, either 64 or 32-bit. Congratulations! You now have the basic tools to write Selenium scripts in Java. In the next lesson I will show you how to set up a Selenium script in Eclipse.